At approximately 10:36 this morning, we got a call of an explosion at the Burger King store. Upon our arrival here, we discovered that the building was extensively damaged. Windows blown out, doors blown out, and we also got information that approximately 6 members of staff would have sustained some degree of injuries and would have been taken to the hospital. We are not certain of their condition at this moment. We are in touch with the medical facility where they have been taken, and we are hoping to get an update as to their condition. Um, what triggered this incident this morning is that the staff came in to work. They discovered that there was gas leak or gas leaking, and so they called in the supplier to come and look at the cylinder. The supplier came in, recognized that there was a defective regulator. That was changed. The staff were given the green light to resume their activities. They went back into the store and, of course, resumed their activities. 10 minutes subsequent to that, there was a massive explosion. It is our belief that the explosion was due to a buildup of gas in the environment mixed with ambient air, and of course some naked flames would have been brought in terms of the lighting of a stove, and that would have triggered the explosion that we saw here. It's really unfortunate because there is always a protocol to be observed. The staff did what they needed to have done based on the information we have from the proprietor of the store, and so we are only hoping and praying that their conditions are not too serious or life-threatening, and that they will make a speedy recovery. So yes, Pizza Hut, their staff members would have experienced some amount of challenges. I think I was advised that at least one or two may have fainted based on the fumes that would have traversed their property. And they have been treated on location here by members of the Ministry of Health team who are here. The other facilities, we have asked that they be evacuated out of an abundance of caution. And we believe that once we are finished here, then Starbucks and the others coming down, can reopen for their usual business. Whether that will happen today is left to be seen. I rather doubt it, given the disruption that has taken place here this morning into afternoon.